guys, this is our 6-ingredient easy oil-free vegan biscuit recipe. It contains flour, baking powder, salt, baking soda, sugar, and coconut milk. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna preheat your oven to 450 degrees. So we're gonna add 2 cups of flour. We're gonna add 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. So after you add them to the bowl, just mix your dry ingredients with a whisk until you feel that it's sufficiently mixed up. After you've mixed your dry ingredients, you're going to dump the whole can of coconut milk, which has already been shaken up, into the bowl. With the regular spoon, you're going to stir the ingredients together. Alright, so your consistency is going to be pretty wet, and that's where that second bowl of flour that you saw in the first shot comes into play. So this recipe will make approximately 9 biscuits. You might take some practice, but what you're going to do is you're going to take chunks of the mix and you're going to drop it into a bowl with extra flour in there. Then what you're going to do is toss it around, pick up the chunk, get off any excess flour, and then we will put this into the bowl. So what I'll do is after I get it into the pan, I will adjust them in the pan to get them a little bit closer and more centered in the pan, like that. The reason why I use a round pan and the reason why you want them together is that it's going to bake up and not out. So if you did it on a flat pan and you were separating them, they would go out instead of up together. After 18 to 20 minutes at 450 degrees, your biscuits should look something like this.